Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I am Namra from BS Chemistry, and my topic of presentation is data manipulation with pandas. In chapter 1, there is data frames. What is a data frame? Pandas data frame is a two-dimensional data structure like a two-dimensional array or a table with rows and columns. Pandas use the LOC attribute to return one or more specified rows. With the index argument, you can name your own indexes. Use the name index in the LOC attribute to return the specified rows. If your datasets are stored in a file, pandas can load them into a data frame. Pandas philosophy. There should be one and preferably only one obvious way to do it. The Zen of Python by Times Peter, item 13. In chapter 2, there is summary statistics, aggregating statistics. Different statistics are available and can be applied to column with numerical data. Operations in general exclude missing data and operate across rows by default. The statistic applied to multiple columns of data frame, the selection of two columns returned to data frame, is calculated from each numeric column. The aggregating statistic can be calculated for multiple columns at the same time, and this is the example of aggregating statistics. Aggregating statistics group by category. Calculating a given statistic for each category in a column is a common pattern. The group by method is used to support this type of operations. More general, this fits in the more general split apply combine pattern. Split the data into groups, apply a function to each group independently, and combine the results into a data structure as shown in this example. In chapter 3, there is explicit indexes. Index object of column names and dot index contains an index object of row numbers. You can move a column from the body of data frame into the index. This is called setting an index, and it uses the set underscore index method. Notice that the output has changed slightly. In particular, a quick visual clue that name is now in the index is that the index values are left aligned rather than right aligned. To undo what you just did, you can reset the index, that is, you remove it, as shown in this example. This is done by reset underscore index. Reset underscore index has a drop argument that allows you to discard an index. It makes subsetting code cleaner. Data frames have a subsetting method called LOC, which filters on index values. The values in the index don't need to be unique. Chapter 4, Visualizing your data. Creating data frames from a list of dictionaries, constructing row by row from a dictionary of list, and constructed column by column. Reading and writing CSVs. What is a CSV file? CSV is equal to comma separated values designed for data frame like data. Most database and spreadsheet programmers can use them or create them. Thank you so much. That's all from my side.